it's very costly. Aduna sigi pochi the mang na macham the yaudi haitare. Aina thariba strawberry gi pambi sing si the different sizes or bagi maram aduga different seaf laiba aduga magi ngang bagi design kenariba aduga save kenari maram sigi na kan variety gi matung kenai. Aina hojuk thariba varieties sina sweet charlie ka we sina round kitang changa ga di safe ani is amana elongated way is man lai man kitang khena was lay maram sigi na kan chardna ni aduga thumbagi sweetness su khara khenai sweetness is depend on the fungal nungsa mangal aduga ngasai char gi makha poli adu charge gi matung in akhoi gi hawba natragana magi chef gi mo ongsil lei aduna sigi hariba sina winter dawn kawi sina sweet charlie leire aduga topa E33 aduga C22 haiba variety emaso ina thai hariba varieties ju manungda lei mana kitang pikta we hele aduga sumaina lei strawberry thaba variety plus duga magi sweetness si karida depend hoga kan nungsa mangan aduga magi variety da kena dawi favorable condition gi strawberry hawgi je koi da manipur gi climatic conditions gi matung ina that's very much important that koi na September thaba the maximum fire habazimadi it's my experience September thaba September October November December lorapakanda koi fruit puthokpa hore aduga AC handaki jina khar thenga thai sin November thabani do November October November September October November khar thengi jina kitang magi pan gi chang kitang handai maram aduna September thab is the best time